Woman will respect you more because of just these three things. This is Bell Solution. The goal is for you to stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. Any woman you're meeting, if you don't have these three things and you're noticing you don't have it, she can sense it even from a distance. So she will take her time. She can pretend, but she's going to disrespect you. You see these three things, put a woman in check. Make her respect herself, look up to you, and submit naturally. Number one, if you have the medicine to her madness, you can outsmart her. Every woman have this crease in them. They want to always shout, they want to yell, they want, as in most times, most swing in them will always want to shake them to show them so that they will show you the other side of them. It might come as test and it might also come as mood swing. It can come as, oh, this is who they are. They want to see if you're going to tolerate it. If you have that antidote to their medicine, you know how to carry yourself. And then whenever she want to overreact, you know how to just put her in her place. Then you will have power over that woman. If a woman knows that she can really be mad at you, she can really frustrate you, make you feel bad, make you feel anxious, she's never going to respect you. When a woman when she start manipulating you, is because she feels she can control you. You don't have that antidote. You don't have power to control her madness. You will allow her display. You will always maybe make excuses for her, allow her to have her way. Then, if she now have her way, you will now live to suffer it. Then two, if a woman knows that deep down, despite what she's going through, those mood swings, those times she's shouting, you have a focused life. You be living your life. Your life cannot be attached to her drama. You're mostly very, very happy without her involved. This is why, if you're a man who constantly seeks a woman's validation, you're going to really, really suffer in the hands of that woman. That woman will never treat you. In fact, she will value you more than the things you do for her. Then when you now know how to live your life outside her, she's living a life of chaos, she's bringing chaos, you push her aside, you're doing your thing. This actually show her you're confident in yourself, you're self-aware, and you know how to absorb your own self. This woman is going to respect herself. She's going to respect you. She's going to listen to you. She's going to follow you. It shows how you have a direction. Most times when you feel, okay, it is your responsibility. Oh, she's feeling somehow. She's not happy for no reason. You feel it's your responsibility to make her happy, to make her feel seen. Most times, this is when she starts flipping blames on you. She stopped taking responsibility. Why do you think they don't take? Women can be accountable with some men, but cannot be accountable with some men because they've seen that you always pay attention to them instead of paying attention to yourself. That power you're supposed to give yourself, that time she's misbehaving, that power you're supposed to give yourself to tell her, I can really survive without you. I can live without you. If you don't act right with me, if you don't behave right with me, I will leave you and I will never look back. That power, you're willing to give it to her. You're willing to do everything she wants. You just want her to feel seen. You just want her to feel happy. Even when you're not seen, you're not feeling seen, you're not feeling happy, you're not being happy. She doesn't just want to. This is why most times when she feels she can just get angry, she can just flip, she can just talk anyhow, she can behave anyhow. Because she knows that you will always come back and give her attention. There are times a woman is misbehaving. You don't even need to ask her what the problem is. You just need to live your life, be happy, have a life outside your woman. That she can say, this guy, there is a way I will misbehave. Let her tell herself, there is a way I will misbehave. This guy will not have my time. I didn't say don't give your woman time. But create time, personal time for yourself. It will go a long way. You master the habit of being alone, staying alone, doing things alone, being happy without her. I tell you, you will constantly win. Women always seek validation. They feel valid. They want you to always validate them. So if you are now seeking that same validation from them, they will never give it to you. They start being disrespectful. They start looking down on you, and they will never ever. A woman can't respect a man she's looking down on. She can only respect you when she knows that there is something you have that will make her look up to you. Then number 3 and the last one, when you're dealing with a woman in a relationship, that most times you want to always make her know that everything she does get at you. Everything she says, it must hurt you. You must show her you're angry because of the things she's doing. She would never respect you. If she can hold your emotions and feelings in her hands, she knows how you're going to react to them each time she says anything, she does anything, she will make you to start running helter-skelter. That woman will cease to respect you. They respect you more, knowing fully well that if they misbehave, you will let them go. If they misbehave, you're not ready to chase them. If they misbehave, you're not ready to come back and explain yourself to them. They know, and they will respect you for it and respect themselves. So if you find out your woman has been misbehaving, she has been bad, she has not been good to you, she has not been kind, and when a woman sees these things, even if you set good boundaries, she will respect them. Women start respecting your boundaries when they know you are this kind of a man. They don't respect your boundaries if they know you don't have the antidote to calm them down. That you're calming them down doesn't mean you will just come and say, oh baby, sorry, you start apologizing for nothing. No. You're calming her down because you know how to react, how to act, how to carry yourself, and how not to bring yourself down because she's angry or because she's throwing tantrums. You need to always come and fix her. If you did not break her, don't fix her. This is why, if you're the type that always seek to fix her, she knows there is something missing in your life. You're feeling insecure. You're scared. She will not chase. Women are women. They like to really be with men that will make them go through roller coaster of emotions. If they are not feeling that way with you, if they are feeling relaxed, they are feeling happy, they get their way with everything, they get away with everything, they are no longer interested. They won't want you. So do these 3 things. Get her to always respect and look up to you. This is Spell Solution. The goal is for you to stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye for now.